Algorand value equivalent to 3.9060 rands a coin. The present cost range, 3.83534.0370. The earlier day close, 3.9076. The change was 0.0016, 0.04%. Backwards rate, ZAR to ALGO. Algorand cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost 4.00 rands, high 4.28, low 3.72. Algorand figure on Friday, April 7, cost 4.01 rands, high 4.29, low 3.73. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost 3.84 rands, high 4.11, low 3.57. Algorand figure on Tuesday, April 11, cost 3.74 rands, high 4.00, low 3.48. In multi-week Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost 3.76 rands, high 4.02, low 3.50. Algorand figure on Thursday, April 13, cost 3.56 rands, high 3.81, low 3.31. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, April 14, cost 4.13 rands, high 4.42, low 3.84. Algorand figure on Monday, April 17, cost 4.18 rands, high 4.47, low 3.89. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost 3.94 rands, high 4.22, low 3.66. In about 14 days Algorand figure on Wednesday, April 19, cost 3.95 rands, high 4.23, low 3.67. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, April 20, cost 3.91 rands, high 4.18, low 3.64. Algorand estimate on Friday, April 21, cost 3.73 rands, high 3.99, low 3.47. Algorand cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost 3.84 rands, high 4.11, low 3.57. Algorand estimate on Tuesday, April 25, cost 3.67 rands, high 3.93, low 3.41. In 3 weeks Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost 3.97 rands, high 4.25, low 3.69. Algorand estimate on Thursday, April 27, cost 3.77 rands, high 4.03, low 3.51. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, April 28, cost 3.83 rands, high 4.10, low 3.56. Algorand estimate on Monday, May 1, cost 3.59 rands, high 3.84, low 3.34. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost 3.89 rands, high 4.16, low 3.62. In about a month Algorand estimate on Wednesday, May 3, cost 3.96 rands, high 4.24, low 3.68. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost 3.71 rands, high 3.97, low 3.45. Algorand gauge on Friday, May 5, cost 3.91 rands, high 4.18, low 3.64. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost expectation for April 2023. In the first place cost at 4.02 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.47, while low cost 3.31. The found the middle value of cost 3.91. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 3.83, change for April 4.7%. Algorand gauge for May 2023. Exorbitant cost 4.75, while low cost 3.34. The found the middle value of cost 3.92. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 3.76, change for May 1.8%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 3.76 rands. Excessive cost 3.76, while low cost 3.14. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.51. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 3.38, change for June 10.1%. Algorand figure for July 2023. Initially cost at 3.38 rands. Excessive cost 3.85, while low cost 3.35. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.55. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 3.60, change for July 6.5%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2023. Initially cost at 3.60 rands. Excessive cost 4.47, while low cost 3.60. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.96. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 4.18. change for August 16.1%. Algorand figure for September 2023. Initially cost at 4.18 rands, excessive cost 4.18, while low cost 3.26. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.78. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 3.51, change for September 16.0%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2023. Initially cost at 3.51 rands, excessive cost 3.51, while low cost 2.74. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.18. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.95, change for October 16.0%. Algorand conjecture for November 2023. Before all else cost at 2.95 rands, excessive cost 3.24, while low cost 2.82. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.01. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.03, change for November 2.7%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at 3.03 rands, excessive cost 3.76, while low cost 3.03. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.33. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.51, change for December 15.8%. Algorand conjecture for January 2024. Before all else cost at 3.51 rands, excessive cost 3.51, while low cost 2.88. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.25. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.10, change for January 11.7%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else cost at 3.10 rands, exorbitant cost 3.62, while low cost 3.10. They found the middle value of cost 3.30. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 3.38, change for February 9.0%. Algorand gauge for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at 3.38 rands, exorbitant cost 3.38, while low cost 2.64. They found the middle value of cost 3.06. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 2.84, change for spring 16.0%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place cost at 2.84 rands, exorbitant cost 2.84, while low cost 2.22. They found the middle value of cost 2.57. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 2.39, change for April 15.8%. ZAR to ALGO swapping scale equivalent to 0.2560 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.2477-0.2607. The earlier days nearby 0.2559. Change for now plus 0.0001 plus 0.04%. ZAR to ALGO cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Algorand figure on Thursday, April 6, cost 0.250 coins, high 0.269, low 0.234. ZAR to ALGO expectation on Friday, April 7, cost 0.249 coins, high 0.268, low 0.233. Rand to Algorand figure